Preparing firewood doesn't have to be a back-breaking chore when you've got the right log splitter on your side. Whether you're a homeowner with occasional splitting needs or someone who relies on wood heat throughout winter, investing in a quality log splitter can save you countless hours of manual labor and physical strain. In this guide, we'll walk you through the 7 best log splitters currently on the market. Comparing everything from splitting force and engine power to portability and price point. You'll discover options ranging from budget-friendly electric models to heavy-duty gas-powered machines that can handle the toughest hardwoods with ease. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best log splitters, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best log splitters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. When 6.5 ton. Electric log splitter 56,208. The PowerSmart 6-ton electric log splitter offers impressive value for cost-conscious homeowners. This budget-friendly model delivers reliable splitting performance without breaking the bank, making it perfect for HIT. Making it perfect for light to medium firewood preparation tasks, with enough force to handle logs up to 10 inches in diameter. This compact machine efficiently processes smaller to medium-sized logs for household firewood needs. The electric operation ensures quiet performance with minimal maintenance requirements compared to gas-powered alternatives. Its user-friendly design features a straightforward operation system that even beginners can master quickly. Despite its affordable price point, the PowerSmart doesn't sacrifice durability, providing consistent performance for seasonal firewood preparation. For homeowners with moderate splitting needs who want to avoid the expense of premium models, this 6-ton electric splitter offers the perfect balance of capability and value. Number 2. Champion 25-ton gas log splitter. The Champion 25-ton electric log splitter delivers exceptional power for tackling challenging firewood preparation tasks. This robust machine handles logs up to 25 inches in length with its versatile horizontal-vertical design, making it perfect for processing large quantities of firewood efficiently. With an impressive 11-second cycle time and convenient auto-return valve, you'll experience significantly improved productivity compared to lesser models. This model stands out for its eco-friendly operation, producing 0 emissions while maintaining professional-grade performance. You'll appreciate the clean, efficient operation that doesn't compromise on power or capability, especially when working in enclosed spaces or environmentally sensitive areas. The horizontal-vertical design offers versatility that many competitors lack, allowing you to switch between splitting positions based on log size and your working preferences. For particularly large diameter logs, the vertical position eliminates the need to lift heavy rounds onto the splitting beam, saving your back and energy for the work that matters. Number 3. Boss Industrial 7-ton electric log splitter. The Boss Industrial ES7T20 stands out in the market with its impressive 7 tons of splitting force, capable of handling logs up to 20.5 inches long and 10 inches in diameter. This electric powerhouse features a patented hydraulic system that allows for convenient single-handed operation, significantly reducing user fatigue during extended splitting sessions. The ES7T20's electric operation eliminates the need for gas, oil changes, and extensive maintenance, making it an environmentally friendly and low-maintenance option. Its indoor-safe design means you can split wood year-round regardless of weather conditions, a convenience that seasonal wood heaters particularly appreciate. Despite its powerful performance, this Boss Industrial model maintains a relatively compact footprint, making storage easier compared to larger gas-powered units. The splitter's sturdy construction ensures durability for years of reliable service, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners committed to preparing their own firewood. Number 4. North Star Horizontal Vertical Log Wood Splitter minus 37 ton. 270cc Honda GX 270 engine. The North Star Horizontal Vertical Log Splitter represents the pinnacle of professional-grade wood-splitting equipment for serious firewood producers. This premium machine delivers exceptional versatility with its dual splitting positions, allowing you to process logs horizontally for standard work and switch to vertical mode for handling massive rounds that would be impossible to lift onto. A horizontal lonely splitter. Powered by a commercial-grade engine, the North Star generates an impressive 25 tons of splitting force, easily tackling even the most stubborn hardwoods like oak, hickory, and maple. Its robust construction features heavy-duty steel components that withstand years of demanding use in all weather conditions. The North Star's engineered efficiency includes fast cycle times and an auto-return valve system that significantly boosts your productivity when processing large volumes of firewood. While the North Star commands a higher price point than consumer-grade models, it delivers exceptional long-term value for those who rely heavily on wood heat or process firewood in commercial quantities. Its durability, power, and time-saving capabilities make it an investment that pays dividends through years of reliable service and increased firewood production capacity. Number 5. Sun Joe Hydraulic Steel Beam Log Splitter. 10-ton capacity firewood. Tool green. The Sun Joe LJ10M combines the simplicity of manual operation with impressive 10-ton hydraulic splitting power. This log splitter handles logs up to 18 inches long and 8 inches in diameter, making it perfect for residential firewood preparation. Unlike gas or electric models, you'll never worry about cords, fuel, or battery life, just your own muscle power operating the hydraulic ram. What makes the Sun Joe LJ10M stand out is its balance of affordability and capability. The hydraulic system multiplies your effort significantly, allowing you to split tough logs with minimal strain. The two-handed operation design ensures safer splitting compared to traditional axes or mauls. The durable steel construction promises years of reliable service without the maintenance headaches of motorized alternatives. For homeowners who split wood occasionally and prefer a hands-on approach, the Sun Joe LJ10M delivers exceptional value. You'll appreciate the zero emissions, no noise operation, and the satisfaction of efficient wood splitting without complicated machinery. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.